Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a really cool GitHub project, Synergetica, a desktop app for designing genetic circuits. It's got a fantastic design and some seriously impressive features.
Genetic circuit design? That sounds intensely interesting. What makes this app stand out from other tools in the field?
Well, it's the end-to-end workflow. You can design circuits using either a node-based interface, which is great for visual learners, or a code-based one for those who prefer a more programmatic approach. Then, you can simulate protein expression levels interactively, which is a huge time saver.
Interactive simulation? That's a game changer. How does the DNA sequence generation work? Is it fully automated?
Pretty much. The app generates DNA sequences based on the parameters you define during simulation. It's all about streamlining the process, making it much more efficient than traditional methods. Plus, it works entirely offline, which is a big plus for security and privacy.
I see. So it's not just about design, it's about the entire pipeline, from concept to sequence. That's a pretty comprehensive approach. What languages was it built with?
Primarily TypeScript, with some Python and Rust sprinkled in. The use of Tori is also noteworthy, as it allows for a native-feeling desktop application. It's a really smart tech stack choice, offering a good balance of performance and cross-platform compatibility.
TypeScript for the front end makes sense, given the complexity of the interface. But Python and Rust, what are those used for specifically? I'm curious about the architecture.
Good question. I believe Python is likely used for the simulation engine, given its strengths in numerical computation. Rust, being a systems programming language, might be used for performance-critical parts, perhaps related to the DNA sequence generation. It's a clever combination, really.
It sounds like a well-thought-out architecture. The project has a MIT license, which is great for open-source collaboration. Has it gained much traction in the community?
Absolutely. It has 52 stars and 2 forks on GitHub, which is a pretty good start for a project like this. And it's got a nice, clean website with documentation. The fact that it's already at version 1.0.0 suggests a level of maturity.
Impressive. It seems like Synergetica is filling a real need in the synthetic biology community. The combination of visual design tools, powerful simulation, and automated sequence generation is a compelling proposition.
Exactly. It's a powerful tool that could significantly accelerate genetic circuit design. It's definitely worth checking out if you're working in this field. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.